Have you ever heard a mysterious hum that no one else seems to notice? Enter the enigmatic realm of the Taos Hum, a haunting sound in the town of Taos, leaving locals puzzled. Is it a ghostly whisper or something more earthly? Imagine a constant hum, elusive and unexplained, echoing through the New Mexican landscape. Some speculate it's the Earth's natural vibrations, while others entertain the notion of supernatural origins. Imagine the town's eerie nights, filled with a spectral melody as the question lingers. Is the Taos hum a ghostly secret or a scientific mystery waiting to be unraveled? The answer remains elusive, cloaked in the echoes of the mysterious hum.